Marriage is a beautiful phenomena. We all want to have happy married lives, isn't it? But they don't uh, know, turn out to be what we wish. There are many reasons for that. It's very complicated. We can't blame one person for this or one situation for this. There are multiple factors which lead to unhappy marriages, and it's very difficult to identify. That is why, when there are conflicts, what do we see? We see both the parties, both in laws and parents, both husband and wife, they are blaming each other, they are finding faults with each other. It's very difficult to arbitrate their matter, isn't it? So, but one point, which today I want to refer is that I see a lot of people getting humiliated almost every day. Their situations are different, but the problem and issues are the same. Recently, I met a girl who was in a state where she was blank in her life. When I talked to her, I found that she had initially a very beautiful relationship with her husband. It was a love marriage. She was very talented and highly educated. But as her husband wanted, so she decided to give it a chance and stay as a housewife. She really started taking care of her in-laws. She used to run here and there, cook food, do every work possible at home. In spite of the fact, many times when she would fall sick, even then her in-laws started expecting her to work the way she used to do every day. Now the problem came up. That, as she would not be comfortable, or she'll get tired, or sometimes maybe low, her husband and in-law started feeling maybe she has changed, though the case was not so. So somewhere they started doubting her abilities, her intent. So ultimately what happened, that what happens in such cases is that we usually forget that love is not the only thing, and in love only we neglect ourselves and our dignity, just like my client did. She was so involved in serving the family that all of them started taking her for granted, and she lost her own value. And then one day, due to a small conflict between husband and wife, her husband humiliated her in front of the whole family and guests. After this incident, my client was lost in finding her own identity, that she lost herself. Her story reminded me of movie Thappad. The difference between the story of my client and story of Taapsee Pannu was this, that Taapsee Pannu fought for her dignity right after realizing her value. But my client was not ready to fight back for herself. Due to the nature of giving up, she was struggling every day, either from her parents or from society, who find it difficult to accept single women. They cannot imagine that their daughter has come back sitting at home. They feel it's a stigma from society. But I was never ready to let her face all these things. In order to make her realize her own value and love herself, I counseled her for around 6 months through major psychological tests, techniques, personality development programs, and whatnot. And as a result, my client now is a single independent woman and fought for herself through her toxic marriage. She is now a beautiful blogger and is earning a good amount of money herself, that she doesn't even need a husband to take care of her financial or basic needs. So now her husband is also trying to approach her, understand her value, and even her in-laws are really sorry about that, because they realize that she was a genuine girl, and she was trying to do her best, but they somehow misbehaved. So when she stood for herself, the whole society or families, they also understand your value. So what I mean is that we need to first value our own self, right? Then only we can imagine others to value us. So, the moment we start neglecting ourselves, people around us also start taking us as their liability. And that's the biggest mistake we make in our lives. In order to avoid such situations, we should love ourselves first. It's not being selfish, it's just self love. Accept yourself and do not let anybody else unnecessarily overpower you and not value you. Keep the remote control of your life in your hands. Nobody is as perfect as you are to understand you and to take control of you. And you can change yourself for better by understanding yourself. Prioritize your dignity and help yourself to improve. Fight back if you're stuck. Building yourself strong is not an overnight job. It takes time, but we cannot let another thappad ruin one more life. So start making efforts, start building yourself for yourself today. Will you? I don't want any other Tapsi Panno in this society. Respect yourself and respect others. Love yourself and get loved. Love you. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.